Let it dry and then we can hang it up on the refrigerator.
I don't want to let it dry.
Oh.
Because it's so painy. So painy.
Do you like mixing the colors together?
Yeah, I like mixing the colors together. Mixing my colors together.
Well, mix them together on the piece of paper, honey, not in there. Mix them together on the piece of paper. There you go.
Red. No.
Is it fun?
Yeah.
So what is your picture about?
I'm just making and that's my family and us we don't know how to make my families.
Oh.
These are my families. It was my baby sister.
Oh.
And mix them all up in the cloud. They're coming out of the cloud.
Okay.
They will peek out of the cloud, out of the paint.